Hello guys, we interrupt your regular program of Black Mirror 2. Well, at least that's what I'm watching. It's pretty fun. You turn on, like good old stuff. And I watched Studio 54. It wasn't that good really. Spirit of the 70s, I don't know. A little more like Disney. It's a Disney movie. There's some other good news. I have my fork again. It was lost somewhere in the kitchen area. Now it's back there. I can now fork the queen and the king. Just inside a joke. As I said, let's interrupt the regular program with some AI announcements. I have a new idea. It's called AI Game. What is it? It's a simple game. As usual, it's up here in the last spot. It's not terribly hard for a human. It has this moving thing and you can click anywhere, but as soon as you click on the thing it goes to another spot and you get 1 point, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the idea is to get it moving, get as often as possible per clicks. In other words, to click on the right spot all the time. This is the JavaX implementation, 30 lines. It's below the magical 30 lines mark. This is it. It makes the picture, it shows it, and you can click. Very short as always. Tattoo this on your forehead or something. And the other version is one without graphical output. And it is more interesting in that it has artificial intelligence. It has a game class here, which simulates the game, the same as we just saw. And it has an AI base class. And the AI can look at pixels and it can click. And I made 3 dummy AIs, although one of them actually solves the game. So maybe it's not that bad. I can run it here. Now it says done on the top. It's a new feature if you install the latest JavaX. The 3 AIs have been tested for 10,000 rounds. The first one clicks always at the same point. So it has 0 points. The point never moves. It always clicks wrong. It keeps clicking at this point 10,000 times. This is all simulated. Computers are very able to do a lot of work. The second AI clicks at a random point and it is right 113 times. This will change if you run it again. Obviously. It means we have actual randomizers. There are randomizers with a fixed number sequence and one that depends on the system clock or influx of neutrinos or how often the user blinks, and these ones change every time. This is one of those, obviously. I wasn't even sure, but it means we have actual random here. 91 points, and the third AI actually looks at something, which gives it a distinct advantage. It looks at some selection of points, goes through some grid. Every 100th point in effect is looked at. And if it's not white, then it says, yes, I found this red thing, and it clicks. And this AI is always right. We haven't specified no limit on how many pixels can be looked at. So this is the solution. We could optimize it for speed maybe. Say this is the correct solution, but we could have a faster one. Those would be the next step. So this can be declared partially solved. And the point here is to show how simple all this is and that you can contribute if you are a programmer. You can just enter this here, get a login and say duplicate here. And immediately you can put your own AI in here. Just put it here. My AI. Overwrite this shit here. My AI. Click on some other point. So, yeah. Save it and run it. I mean, this is how easy it is. Programming in JavaX. And you will get the output, and if it's good, others can notice because this program will show up in the list automatically if you make it public, which is the default. And so If you want to show that you have some programming skills, why do you not contribute here? Any Java code works in JavaX. I'm also very ready to assist. Okay, we can go back to some videos or whatever we were watching. I've watched countless hours of adventures being played by people. I don't know. Is it embarrassing to admit? I don't know. I really enjoyed this. So pretty. Look at the graphics. It's fantastic. Right, thanks for